We don't remember this, right? Kinda. It's been a while. Okay, so when we have a variable and we're solving for our variable, the goal is to get it by itself, get it alone, isolate the variable. And we do that by doing the inverse operation. So we have to figure out what is attached to the variable by an operation. So our operation class is what? What operation is this? Addition. So what do we have that's attached to the variable with addition? Positive 3.4. What's the opposite of positive 3.4? Negative. So we need to subtract 3.4. That creates a zero pair. So write this down if you did not already. So whatever we do to one side, because it's like a scale, that equal sign is the balance scale, we have to do to the other. So if we take 3.4 away from this, we have to take 3.4 away from the other side. Now we have 1.7 minus 3.4. And usually when we do our normal subtraction, we put the bigger absolute value at the top. So we have to switch it. I'm going to do my work over here because this is the way we have to write it for us to do the subtraction. Can we take 7 from 4? So what do we have to do? This becomes 14, right? We have to borrow. Write this down. 14 minus 7 is 7. Bring down our decimal when we're adding or subtracting. We bring down the decimal. And then 2 minus 1, 1. But we had a positive 1.7 and a negative 3.4. So do we have more positive or more negative? More negative. So our answer is actually negative 1.7. All right, the second one. I'm coming around kind of to see what you did. What's your question? All right. Yes, hold on as well. All right, this one right here. It says a collector has 12 gold coins. What kind of coins? 12, what kind of coins? Gold. For every 7, what kind of coins? Silver. So what are the two things that we're talking about? Gold and silver. So this is our this over that are ratios. So gold over silver, write this down. How many gold? 12. So we're going to put that 12 gold. Our gold goes with the gold, silver with the silver, and then 7 silver. Did anybody set up a ratio? I know it's been a while. It's been a while. All right, and we're trying to figure out how many gold coins would you expect if you had a bag with 42 silver. So we're looking for the gold, and we know how much silver is going to be 42. Does this look familiar? Write this down, Adrian. It should look like our percent proportion, except for percent proportion is percent over 100. This is just a regular proportion. We're talking about two different things, gold and silver. All right. So we're trying to get here. We need to figure out how we got here. From 7 to 42. Is our number getting bigger or smaller? Bigger. So are we multiplying or dividing? Multiplying. So we need to figure out 7 times what number is 42. I could set up a division. 7, 14, 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 times 6 is 42. So I need to do 12 times 6. And Trinity, this is what you did for your homework, right? So we can do 12 times 6. Arian, did you do this or did you do it a different way? I saw that you had the correct answer, but did you do it this way? Awesome. Any questions for this one? All right. Okay, now we are here at what we've been doing, relative frequency. Determine the relative frequency. So, Brian, what's the first thing that we have to do when we're looking for relative frequency? What's the first thing that we have to do? It's like our homework. Richard, what's the first thing we have to do? Add up all of the frequencies, right, to get a total. So I'm going to take one away from here and pretend this is a 10 and put that one there and pretend that's a 9. So what's 10 plus 9? 19. Okay. 19 plus 3? 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 plus 2? And 24 plus 1. So that means I have a total of 25. Wonderful number. Beautiful number. When you have 10, 20, or 25, or 50, those numbers are beautiful to count to 100. Okay? So for dog, what part is dog? How much? 11 in the total? 25. I'm looking for the percent. I'm using the percent proportion because that's a beautiful number on the denominator. Percent over 100. And I know that there are 4 quarters make up $1. So 25 times 4. So I can do 11 times 4 to get my percent. What's 11 times 4? So the relative frequency for dogs would be 44%. Okay, for reptile, what's our part over whole area? 2 over the total, 25. And I'm looking for my percent. I already know, because we figured it out already, that I multiply 25 times 4 to get to 100. So I need to do 2 times 4. Hey, you do the last one. I'm coming around. So what is our part over whole for bird class? Part over whole. 1 over 25. Percent is always over. What did I multiply to get to 100 here? So what do I need to multiply here? So what's the answer? 4%. Good. Awesome. Any questions? Good job.